Welcome to Study Loop.
Where a biologist discovers that an antibody binds to multiple antigens and is asking us to describe this phenomenon. So here is a depiction of what I have here. So we have the same antibody that binds to multiple different types of antigens and is asking us what is the correct phenomenon for this. So A and B state the antibody is showing either high affinity or high avidity. So both of these terms relate to the strength. So affinity is the individual interaction between the antigen and the antibody, while avidity is the collective interaction. But they both refer to the strength, and which we cannot know for sure about here because it just notes that there are many antibody it's noting that there are multiple antigens that are binding to the antibody, but has no indication of strength. So we could eliminate A and B, and D states the antibody is showing hypersensitivity. Once again, we have no indication of sensitivity in this question, so we could eliminate D, which would state that C, the antibody is showing cross-reactivity to the antigen, is the correct answer. So what is cross-reactivity? It is basically the phenomenon when an antibody binds to the antigen, uh, not only it binds not to the antigen that basically triggered its synthesis and secretion, but it also binds to different antigens. So yes, this is the correct situation that is being described here, where we have one antibody that is binding to multiple different antigens, which is contrary to the traditional belief of one antibody to one antigen. But the correct answer to this question would be C. The antibody is showing cross-reactivity.